Sir,
Yes.
sino po ang tatayong presiding officer sa impeachment trial? At may update po ba kayo sa...
As soon as they have 13, walang problema sila na. Okay, so I have to assert because may pinaglalaban tayo. Pinaglalaban ko hindi yung si Alan Cayetano ang Senate President. Ang pinaglalaban natin, ang Senado hindi pwedeng rubber stamp ng Malacanang. Hindi pwede na hindi independent yung Senate. Hindi pwedeng may hearing ka katulad kanina, yung bibig na bumubukas ay senador pero yung lumalabas na salita galing sa Malacanang.
Ano pong rules sa pagpili ng presiding officer sa impeachment trials?
They illegally amended the rules. They illegally had a session, di ba? So in due time, there'll have to be something that will decide, di ba? But in the same manner na ina-assert ni Senator Win na he's the acting Senate President kahit na walang legal basis whatsoever, I have to assert not for myself but for the truth and for the Constitution. But it's still 1 month eh. 'Di ba? At hindi kami nakikipag-agawan sa silya doon. So for example, yung Senate Secretary, dapat siya yung ngayon nag-aayos para diyan sa pre-trial. But nagte-take over sila Attorney Bantog. So we're doing it very patiently because nga we don't want the whole Senate to be affected, no.